Hi, I'm Karina Prokopchuk, and I'm with Gowan Consulting in Dutton, Ontario, servicing programs across Canada. We are a national organization, and we do have supports available as well in the US. I'm going to talk to you today about the effects of COVID-19 on mental health and the anxiety and worry about the workplace. We have, in the past several months, and say past 7 months, have really entered a place that we haven't seen before. Dealing with a worldwide and global pandemic, people transitioned from being in a workplace to being at home and working from home. We had a lot of people that were also dealing with being essential workers. And as essential workers, the challenges of facing childcare and elder care and their own care and being at work and at home, and the challenges that we were talking about for people who were in the office one day and then were working from home the next. Looking at how we can balance some of those home life and work life responsibilities, looking at some of those challenges of staying at work and working remotely. We just recently, with kids going back to school in September, there was a whole new set of anxieties and concerns to worry about. We might have employees that are looking for work adjustments as they're learning new routines. So different types of family accommodations. Also looking at what we can do as an employer to really support employees. There's a lot of tools available for training and programs that are available within employers. And it's an important time to remind employees about those services. We have also developed some fantastic training programs around mental health training for managers. It's an important time for managers to know when to recognize signs on their team that someone is burning out, that someone is not having a difficult time managing some of those mental health concerns that are coming up, some of the different anxieties and things that can happen as well when we have people that are typically working together and now are working at home, and in a lot of cases we're hearing that people are feeling very isolated. So things that can be done around training and training supports to be able to support our employees so people know that they're valued, that they're part of a team, and being able to shift some of those psychological standards around continuing to support employees. Reinforcement of your EFAP programs, your employee and family assistance programs, being able to provide those supports as well, because it's not just as an employee. So as an employer, when you are providing training around mental health and recognizing signs of stress and anxiety, those are things that can cascade out as well. So you might be training your employees, but your training is also helping their families. It's also helping their children, their friends, because things that people are learning, they're able to share and they're able to talk about some of the mental health concerns and things that we can do to help support each other. One of the things as well is looking at those mindfulness and resilience, really helping to develop those strengths around taking time to refill your cup, taking the time to make sure as a manager, as a supervisor, as a worker, that we're focusing on our own self-care. Self-care is so important. You can't give to others if you're not looking after yourself. So being able to really look at some of those programs. So again, so I'm Karina Prokopchuk. I am with Gowan Consulting, and do look at our website. We have some fantastic information, being able to provide mental health training for managers, resilience training for employees, and also please look at our happiness challenge and join our happiness challenge. It provides scientific research behind the importance of recognizing gratitude, also looking at things that you can do to bring happiness into your life and how it actually can change your brain chemistry when you start to look at things in a positive light. There's a lot happening. We're seeing so much in the news, and things that you can do to reduce the amount of negative information that your brain is taking in and start to look at the positives. Being able to really focus on those positives are things that will help you continue to develop that resiliency and are really focusing around mindfulness. Enjoy your time at the session, and thank you so much for your time.